For your annotated bibliography in my English 1101 class, I ask that you write the working thesis. The working thesis should also have the hanging indent that you have in your source citations. So all I had to do was to select this, and I just did the same thing as I did for the source citation. Choose special. It should be hanging by 1/2 inch. 0 before, 0 after, double space. Click OK. And then now I want to show you how to write your annotation. And as you know, I told you in class, I have a specific requirement that is not really MLA, but it is Jiles-Davis. So if you will put your cursor after your last period in the source citation, press the Enter key one time, press the Tab key twice. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to stop there. I want to show you this. So you can see how as soon as my writing wrapped to the second line, it is following the same indentation, that 1/2 inch indentation, as the second and third lines above for the working thesis and for the source citation. So keep in mind that as long as you set your source citation to a hanging indent, you shouldn't have any problems. There's your special hanging. You shouldn't have any problems when you press the Enter key once and the Tab key twice. So I'm gonna copy and paste the rest of this just for time, and then I want to show you how to do the quotations. So here is this former student's annotation for this source. So now we need to add I'm asking you, again, this is not MLA, this is what I'm requiring you to do, is to choose to type several quotations. So 3 to 4 quotations from this source or from each of your sources that you think will assist you in supporting your argument for your argumentative essay. So last period, press the Enter key, press the Tab key once. It's going to take you right back here where you want to be. So press the number, type in 1, and then we're just going to start typing the quotation. So let's see if we have any problems. Okay, whoops, let me fix my misspelled words here. Okay, so yeah, this is doing perfect. Now this particular quotation is a bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and copy what the rest of this quotation right quick. It's quite long, but I wanted to show it to you. Okay. So here is the complete quotation. It's very long, and I did note to that student that I did not want to see this long block quotation appear in her essay, but it had information that she wanted to use, so she was able to take out what she needed to prove her point in her actual essay. Notice it's in quotations because it is quoted material, and then it's got the open parenthesis, the number 2, that's the page number from this article. This article appears on pages 1 through 8. She found this quotation on page 2 of this article. We have a close parenthesis and a period. Notice the period goes outside the close parenthesis. It doesn't go inside here. It doesn't go right here. It goes outside the close parenthesis, so outside of your parenthetical citation. In this case, the parenthetical citation is only a page number because we know that this quotation came from this author. There's no reason to write the author's last name and the page number in the parenthetical citation. So just 2. And not a word, not a P, not the word page, just 2, just the page number. So that's what you're going to do. So with each of these, you have to have another one. So notice when I press the enter key, it automatically popped up the number 2. And these should all fall with that hanging indent. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.